Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. You guys, I went back to the Dollar Tree store. Shh, don't tell. I'm like, don't give me any bags. Get. All right, well, let's go ahead. This was a different one. This one was in Glendale. So if you're in Arizona, it was pretty nice. It had a lot of stuff. And this one was, yeah, in Glendale off of Bell and 59th. You wouldn't know because there's so much construction going on, but let me show you what I got. I love these stickers. I'm going to be using these really soon. I grabbed some of these envelopes. They are a smaller size envelope. It's 6 3/4 by 3 5/8. I thought this was a great. I got this little beautiful deer, and I don't know what, it's not a, kind of like a copperish color. I got some chalkboard tags. I got 2 of these little boxes here, which I have so many and I love them. See it. The cute that is. It's a little duck that goes on your little cable. If you saw my cable, you'd know that I need one. Look, I'm gonna pull it out so you could see. It's currently all washi taped up. So that's why I got the little duck. I have to tell you, I got this little sponge holder, and it was because somebody made me buy it. It was something I saw either on TikTok or Instagram. I don't know. I remember going, yes, that sponge holder is a great idea. I have no idea what it is. Bought it. I'm like, I know it was to hold something, and it wasn't a sponge. Okay, I went for, you guys. This was what I went for yesterday, and this is what I went for today. And now look, I finally got it. $70 later. Okay, I got a nautical rope, but it's not that tan. It's like a white. It's really pretty. So, picked up. I only had 2. I cannot grab 2. It's a pencil holder, but I think it would be great for, see the angle? It would be great for pens or pencils, but I think it would be really good for glue, to put my glue, so it's always, I don't know if this one's gonna fit. This one's a little, no, it fits. So this is another one that I got. It's wood glue, super glue. So picked some of that up as well. Now I know this isn't the best buy, but I was there and I know that I'm gonna need them. And so it's just 5 little glue sticks. And that'll get me through. I went in without a face mask, walked the whole entire store without a face mask. I don't know what I was thinking because I was just at the DMV just before that with a face mask on. And so I had to buy these. I felt bad checking out, so I grabbed one, ripped it open, put my face mask on, and checked out. I picked up 2 of these little guys. These are resealable bags, 20 per, but I thought these would be really cool to put little pieces in or little chocolates to make with my Stampin' Up! To make little treats for Christmas or for Valentine's Day or whatever you'd like. But I definitely know I'm going to be using them in my bingo class that's on December 16th. And this is my little chalkboard tags with the hearts. There's only 4. I should have saw the count and maybe got some more, but that's okay. I think they're adorable. My laundry basket, which is not used for laundry. I use it to keep all of my Dollar Tree DIY stuff. So sometimes you'll see like piles of stuff. It's usually a laundry bag full. or a laundry basket full of crazy stuff. And finally, I picked up one of these goblets. These are beautiful goblets. They're so thick, they're so heavy, but you know, I'm not going to be drinking out of it. It's going to be a DIY for sure. So that is everything I got this time. It wasn't hope to use this, and I'm hoping this DIY comes out. Saw on social media. I'm like, that is adorable. I need to try it. So, all right, beauties. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and